Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Izzo by, the manufacturer is Izzo and the name of the machine is the Duetto. And this machine had a couple problems. When it was brought in, it actually wouldn't stop beeping and the machine wouldn't turn on. And we found that there was a loose wire going from the water tank sensor to the main board. And it took us a little while to find, but we eventually found it. And once we got that reconnected, the machine stopped beeping and started heating. Then once it started heating, we found the problems the customer was reporting. One problem was that underneath here, you can see there's a pressure release valve where pressure releases from various functions of the machine. And that was shooting out steam. That was due to a leaking vacuum release valve. The vacuum release valve, when it's leaking or before it closes, it shoots steam out that port, but it should stop after it closes. And then also the safety valve was bad on this and leaking. And then third, the steam valve here on the left was just really stiff, so we repaired it. And now it doesn't make that loud creaking noise, and it also has a nice smooth action to it when you steam. So let's go ahead and pour a shot. We have it in plumbed in mode. You can see we have the water hose hooked up. See, we get a good shot of espresso. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Oh, and here are the parts. This is the safety valve. This is the vacuum release valve. And this is the gasket that goes inside the steam valve. Alright, so thanks for pairing with Kanen Coffee.